Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing the game to stop looking for a second player. Close Rocket League and exit Steam or Big Picture. This prevents automatic reattach. Then, unplug the secondary controller or disable its Steam input profile so the game only sees one controller. Once done, make sure your primary controller or keyboard is working. You will relaunch the game with a single input device. This prevents split screen from reinitializing when Rocket League starts. Next, you fix input at the platform level so split screen cannot be triggered. Open Steam controller settings and uncheck any controller types that belong to the secondary device. This ensures Steam stops presenting a second player profile to the game. Then, in Rocket League's properties, set controller override to disable. This forces the game to rely on default single-player input. Make sure to fully close and relaunch Rocket League so these changes take effect. Finally, relaunch Rocket League and verify you are back in single-player menus. If the split screen still appears, restart your PC to clear lingering device mappings, then plug in only the primary controller before launching. If that fails, verify game files in Steam or reinstall Rocket League to reset settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if controllers behave oddly, open Device Manager and disable any ghost HID devices or reassign controllers. This often removes phantom second players and fixes persistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.